What's going on, people? Your boy Big Baby K, we back again. And like I say, I make a lot of my videos on questions my subscribers ask me, or people ask me in general. And another question I get a lot is, how often do you have to wash your car to make it shine like this? And y'all might not believe it, but I really don't wash the car as much as you think. You know what I'm saying? I only wash the car maybe twice a week. But the key to keeping it clean is when you washing it, is always protecting the paint by waxing it, polishing it, to seal the shine in. And if you get dirt on it or something, you get it off immediately. Especially bugs. If you get bugs in front of your car, you want to remove those as soon as possible, because a lot of those bugs have a lot of acid in their body, and they will, you know, eat your paint. But yeah, I really don't wash it that much. Like I say, maybe once, twice a week, just to keep it looking good. But if you wax it and polish it and, you know, rinse it off every once in a while, you get a little dirt on it, it'll maintain the shine for a while, especially on a newer vehicle with great paint. If you have an older vehicle with some older paint that, you know, wasn't taken care of, you can do paint corrections and bring the paint back to the original shine, you know. But yeah, like I said, this is a quick video, just to answer a question on how often I wash the car, how do I keep it shiny. So I hope this helps somebody, you know, that want to keep the car looking better, you know. But with anything you do, it's going to take a little effort. It's not going to be one time you wash it and then it's going to shine. You're going to have to prep it and wash it and maintain it, you know. So once you get the shine, the bead in, and once you get the shine in the car real good, it'll last for a long time. I hope this helped y'all. Y'all stay tuned for more vids. Peace out.